Copyright 2022 Smart Dating Over 60 LLC. All rights reserved. If you're an introvert and the idea of flirting with a stranger appears terrifying, these approaches can make it much easier. If you're a shy man searching for love, you probably understand how it feels to be overwhelmed and nervous about all the pressures overdid you. Today's dating culture puts the onus on guys to initiate conversations, make the first relocation, and establish dates. You might stress that you'll run out of things to state, or you'll put yourself out there only to be declined. Maybe you're the great person who always ends up in the buddy zone. Or you're a people pleaser, tiring yourself to make your date happy, just to feel unappreciated and invisible. And, after dealing with hundreds of students and 1:1 dating coaching customers, I've discovered particular worries turning up again and again, that you won't know what to state and things will get awkward, that you'll be declined due to the fact that you're not flirty and enjoyable enough, that you're not. This is because this part of your brain is primarily interested in survival. However, if you develop a brand new experience like approaching somebody you find appealing when you usually wouldn't do this, your brain states, "Hey, I endured that," and you slowly start to get unstuck. So why not present yourself the experience of really feeling positive, unwinded, and flirty when you're around someone you like? Here are some introvert flirting tips to help you do just that. 3 flirting tips for introverted men. 1. Discuss psychological subjects, like dreams and passions. We have actually all remained in boring conversations that go nowhere. Besides, we introverts aren't fans of small talk anyway. I imply, when was the last time you got switched on talking about the weather? No judgment if that's your thing. However, for most, talking about the upcoming snowfall isn't exactly titillating conversation. The exact same goes for other daily topics that do not involve a more individual or psychological aspect. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and like.